In today's video, I will walk you through how to insert a new indicators to MetaTrader 5 charts. Start by making sure MetaTrader 5 is open and that you have at least one chart displayed on your screen. It can be any symbol and any time frame because the process is exactly the same for every chart. Once you're looking at your chart, move your mouse to the top of the platform where the main menu is located. Along the menu bar, you'll see options such as File, View, Insert, and others. Click on Insert. This menu contains the tools that can be added directly to your charts, including indicators and other chart objects. After clicking Insert, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, move your mouse over Indicators. You don't need to click yet. Simply hover over it and wait for the side menu to appear. The side menu organizes the available indicators into different categories. You'll usually see categories such as Trend, Oscillators, Volumes, Bill Williams, and Custom. Each category contains different indicators. For example, moving averages are typically found under the Trend category, while indicators such as RSI and Stochastic are usually located under Oscillators. If you've added your own indicators to MetaTrader 5, they'll appear under the Custom category. Take a moment to browse through these categories until you find the indicator you want to add to your chart. When you've located it, move your mouse over the appropriate category and click directly on the name of the indicator. As soon as you select the indicator, a settings window will open. This window lets you review the available parameters for that specific indicator. Depending on which indicator you selected, you may see options for the period, calculation method, colors, or other settings. Take a moment to look through these settings before continuing. If you already know the values you want to use, make your changes now. If you're not sure, you can simply leave the default settings exactly as they are. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click OK. MetaTrader 5 will immediately place the indicator onto your chart. Some indicators appear directly on top of the price chart, while others open in a separate panel below the chart. This depends on the type of indicator you selected. If you want to add another indicator, repeat the same process. Click Insert, hover over Indicators, choose the appropriate category, select the indicator you want, review the settings, and then click OK. By using the Insert menu and selecting your indicator from the Indicators section, you can quickly add new indicators to any MetaTrader 5 chart whenever you need them. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you.